What it do? Y'all probably wondering, why am I sweating like this? Well, I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm sweating like this. So, when my car first got stolen, I was ready to whoop somebody's ass. I'm gonna call it what it is. I was ready to fight. I was hoping if I ever caught these fools, I'm gonna whoop their ass. Until it dawned on me one day, I went to go play basketball, and I was like, yo, if I don't knock these fools out in the first 10 seconds, I'm gonna get my ass whooped. Cause I'm so out of shape, it don't even make sense. And then, in the video, which, as you can see, you got it playing on the TV. In that video, when I was looking at myself walking into Carvana, I was just like, dang, when did I let that go? So anyways, I'm back. I just finished the workout. Ooh, I'm tired. Fellas. Oh, and then thirdly, when I backed the car into the garage, which is over here, I was just looking at it and the stance was looking real mean. And I was just thinking to myself, man, how my car gonna look like it's in shape and I don't? So, first week down, and you know how that is. That first week, 10 pounds was nothing. It'd be dope if all of these weeks was like that, but I know that's not gonna change. I mean, that's gonna change. But for the most part, sticking to it, sticking to the meals. But anyways, today, I just got in the mail. Hold on one second. Ooh, I'm sweating like crazy. I literally just finished. But anyways, Rubik's _3. Bro, I don't mean to be disrespectful, but we literally have the same car. Well, mine is just a year newer than yours, but you obviously had yours before me. Same color. When I got the car, the tints was just like yours. The rims was just like yours. And every single thing that I want to do to my car, you've done to your car. And my bad, bro. Like, I don't want to copy your car 100%, but almost everything that you've done to your car is like, I want to do that to my car. So I got to give credit where credit is due. He just did a video not too long ago where he switched out the center emblem on the tire to some LED ones that were red. And I saw that and I ordered it right on the spot. So, sorry, bro. It is what it is. Your car look hard. My car looks hard because they're literally the same color. Anyhow, so I'm about to go find, dang, holding this phone up after doing the shoulder workout is not it. I'm gonna go find some way to hold this phone up, and then I'll show you my version of me changing these out, and I'll figure out how to record these at night. Maybe when my girl gets home tomorrow, I'll have her videotape me driving up and down the street just so we can see just how it looks, because it's supposed to glow in the dark with the friction. So anyways, let's get to it. Bro, this gym is still a little too packed. A lot of this stuff in here, y'all don't know, I'm an audio engineer. I do have another YouTube channel, that's like my main channel, where I teach tutorials and stuff, but the goal is to build one. I build a studio in the backyard. And then once that's done, a lot of that stuff over there and up there will be back in its rightful place, which is a studio. And then maybe we can get this garage looking a little cleaner. But yeah, enough about that. We are here to address that. We're gonna change these out. Man, this is crazy. I literally just went and got this car washed. These tires look hella dirty. I'm gonna have to get on them about that. All the money y'all spend at the car wash? Nah, that ain't cool. All right, well, okay. I gotta set this up somehow and then I'll figure out how to get that off. They put bubbles around the bottom. Okay, it's whatever. We on camera? How we looking, y'all? We good? All right, so it's my first time opening it. And let's see. These looked, not gonna lie, they look a little used, like they've been recycled. But okay, so Anyways, this is what I'm about to replace them with. And as you can see when I turn it, it lights up. Y'all can see that? Oh yeah, this is about to be hard. I ain't gonna lie, it does look a little used. It does look a little used. But ain't nobody gonna be able to tell that from that far. So I will probably just let them know, like if they ask me what I think, or you know, look like it was a little used. Okay, let's see how easy this is gonna be. It came with this little screwdriver, this little flathead, little shithead bit. That's what I thought. That's what I hear every time I hear the word flathead. So let's just see how easy that pops off. Oh yeah. Oop. There we go. That was super easy. Okay. And let's get that thing in there. It's like when you get something for the first time and you don't want to push it too hard because you don't know how flimsy it truly is. That's what's happening right now. I could probably be more forceful, but I don't want to. Okay, so I'm gonna push from, I got the bottom in, I'm gonna push the top. Bam. Yeah. Sits right side up. All right. I'm not about to record every single one of those, but y'all saw how quick that was to get that thing going there. Yeah. Ooh, I can't wait for my girl to get home so she can videotape this for me. Okay. Let me go ahead, hit this garage. I gotta turn the car around so I can get the other side. Because as you can see over there, ain't a lot of room. I'm 6'4", but I'll give y'all a cold start. Well, it ain't cold because I drove it earlier. Yeah, buddy. All right. All right, I'm gonna do this one in the daytime. I just looked at myself in the mirror, and I swear to God, anytime I sweat, I always got boogers in my nose. And I was thinking, man, should I take that out? Nah, and record that, and I was like, nope. That was for me working out, and that was that was the result. Anyhow, oh wow, I'm missing this. Okay. So this last couple weeks, if you guys remember, I was putting in a new audio system because the Harman Kardon, I think that's what it is, the Harman Kardon one, that one was trash, all the way around trash. So I upgraded every speaker in this car. Yeah, every speaker in the car. I got 2 amps running. I was slapping so hard with my sub. Oh, you know what? I'm so slow. Look at this, y'all. I thought that it was damaged. No, you just peel that off. So that's good to know. I'll peel that off as soon as I get this installed. Anyways, anyhow, so I was slapping so hard, and then all of a sudden I wasn't. So because I wasn't, I'm going back in there and I'm like, man, I don't know what's going on. Let's retune the slap. They were like, okay. Left out of there. I was slapping some majorly hard. And then by the next day, look at me. Bro, I gotta be one of the slowest people ever. But at least we figured that out. Anyways, but by the next day, I wasn't slapping again. So then I went back to them a couple days later and I was like, look, you shit in my car, you turn it up and you tell me if it's slapping. And they were like, nah, it's not slapping. I'm like, okay, cool, so I'm not tripping. So we go to the trunk, turn up the slap, and come to find out, hold on, let me get the camera. Come to find out, I was slapping so hard, I broke the box. I broke the box that I had, so I had to get another box. Man, I'm so sick of spending money on this car, on the slap. But ever since I fixed that, yes, definitely sounds a whole lot better. Nothing in there is original. Yeah, so I grew up in the 80s and the 90s, and yeah, we like bass a whole lot.